not even mean to get myself together. Zandi would look a mess. Absolutely. Absolutely. So first we're gonna wash our hair with the Mayel hydrating shampoo. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. I'm not in the mood. That, but so okay. It's for dry curly hair type. So it's a conditioning shampoo, which is also like a hydrating shampoo. So I'm going to wash my hair thoroughly with that, and then I'll be back. Oh, and what's in my hair now? I have coconut oil and jojoba oil in my hair now. So it was left in there overnight. So now I'm just gonna wash it out like 2 or 3 times with the shampoo, and then I'll be back to do a treatment. Okay, so I'm back. I washed my hair with the Mayel shampoo, and my hair, just to give you guys a little history of my hair now, I recently cut it into a Pixie January 23rd, and that's when I texturized and I colored. And then I colored in between sometime in February. I believe it was February 23rd. I try to keep it consistent. And then I did a little trim, and I'll post some pictures somewhere around here of what it was looking like if I have some. But it's grown a lot, and I am 12 weeks post texturizer. So basically I'm kind of like giving out some tips on how to stretch it, and I wasn't even trying to do it for that long, but just that, you know, life got ahead of me, and well, yeah. So I made my little secret hair concoction, and I'm gonna put this in my hair and leave it in my hair for 45 minutes. Leave it like this, because I find when I leave it like this in the shower cap, I conduct a lot of heat from the center of my head, so that helps allow the treatment to penetrate deeper. This big old shower cap, and I like these because it covers my ears. And I will see you shortly. Okay, so we have 3 minutes left. I'm just gonna go and wash this out, and then I will be back to mold it really quick. Can we get to that shine? Okay, so I just got done washing out that treatment on my hair, and now I'm gonna put this leave-in treatment. It's by H&P. Every time I have a short haircut for years, I've been using this stuff. Even when I have long hair and I want to straighten my hair, I always use this stuff. It's really good, and it's hydrating. I need hydrating products. I'm just going to saturate my hair. And then I'm just going to gently comb that through. And it says let it sit in there for 3 minutes, so don't do nothing to the hair. Don't style it, nothing. I'm going to leave this, and then I'm going to go grab my other hair products so I can wrap my hair. Alright, it's been 3 minutes. These are the products that I will be using to wrap my hair. Nairobi wrap foam before the wrap, the Nairobi hair moisturizer setting lotion, some black Castro oil, always black Castro oil. Oh, I'm just checking. You don't want your hair to be too wet before you go to put all this stuff in, because then you're just gonna have a wet mess. If you don't have a dryer, I don't have a dryer. So to eliminate all of that, I kind of like to wait until my hair dries a little bit, or even take my towel and pat the hair dry. It should be good enough. First, I'm going to take the Nairobi lotion. Just that much. Each product I like to comb through. Oops, a little. Like, girl, you trying. I'm going to take a little bit of black Castro. Just a little. I might even do too much. It's just enough. Boom. Going to work that. It's more for my ends and my front. I believe for the Pixie cut, a texturizer is key. I've learned over the years. Now I'm just gonna shake your Nairobi, and if you know, you pump, 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 pump. Pump it up. Oh, my pump kind of stuck. I'm gonna massage it all over my head and really work it before I start to mold. Because that's the key too, to work it in down to your root. And that's why I like to put the oil first, because it keeps your scalp from flaking a little bit. Foam will make your scalp flake. I'm gonna comb it out with my big comb first. And this top piece I like to come forward. I'm just gonna go in with my smaller comb. Upper body strength to mold a good fix. Now I'm gonna take my wrapping strips by Kiss Red. I noticed that I use a lot of their products. It's really for me. And before I'm going over it. Now. Want a good wrap. I don't play about my wrap. Good wrap. I'm gonna dry this with a blow dryer partially, get it as dry as I can, and then I'll put a do-rag on. When it's fully dried, I'll come back, then we'll style it. Okay, so I was too tired to finish recording my hair. So it's the next morning, Sunday morning, and we're just gonna curl this hair. I'm gonna put some Castro oil in here, Jamaican black Castro oil for my heat protectant today, because I can't find my heat protectant. It's one of those days. I have a client a little bit, so I gotta get there hard and fast because it's Sunday. So let's get to it. No, this is not the finished look, okay? It's not the finished look. I am going to dump the shower and I'm going to come right over to bed. I'm going to be back to show you guys what we got.